I'm doing a review on this leash that I got off of Groupon for 2 dogs. And as you can see, it depends on your dog. You know, if he's smart enough to go around a pole or not. And me. Right now they're not going where they're supposed to go. But they're not dumb. They get it. So the leash works fine. I mean, sometimes it gets under their foot, like right now. But, you know, that always happens with any kind of leash. But it works on this swivel system. It doesn't allow it to lock. And it got like a jet ski holder type thingy right there. Jet ski handle. But let me take this. Hey. Don't attack me. So it works alright. It's better than 2 leashes. But then, you know, sometimes the dogs get stuck. Sometimes they get lazy like that, you see? In the middle of the street. It's a lazy American bully / pit bull. Just said, I'm tired of walking. We've only been walking for like 20 minutes. She wants to get hit by a car. Come on. Come on, Mulan. Look at her. She's getting dragged on the concrete. Mulan. Come on. Let's go. Look, she don't want to go. She's lazy, right, Genghis? But, yeah, I think the leash was like $10.99 or $11.99 on Groupon. I like the colors, that's why I got it. Red and black. But yeah, Groupon has some okay deals. We'll see how long it lasts. Later, YouTube.